Welcome to DA Drive Analyzer. DA Drive Analyzer is a service that predicts drive failures using artificial intelligence and monitors various drive health indicators. It's an added layer of protection to guard against data loss, and it works constantly to warn you of problems. There are three methods to access this service. The first method is to use the DA Drive Analyzer app for QNAP QTS. This app is meant to focus on our most important feature, AI-based drive failure predictions. For many users, this may be all they need. Inside the DA Drive Analyzer app, you can see the number of drives that have a higher risk of failing. When you see this kind of drive, you can either back up your data or replace your drive to minimize the risk of data loss. When you click on each drive, you can see their location on your NAS device. This allows you to easily locate at-risk drives. You can also check your drive's prediction history, and the link is provided for you to go to DA Portal. The second method to access DA Drive Analyzer is through a web portal called DA Portal. DA Portal is the most comprehensive way to use DA Drive Analyzer. As with the DA Drive Analyzer app, you can see which drives have a higher or lower risk of failing soon. However, if you want to dive deeper into your drive's health condition, you can see which specific health indicators are abnormal using our threshold-based alerts. You can check how optimally your healthy drive is performing with indicators like data read and written, temperature, and IOPS. For an even deeper look into your drive's health, you can also export some drive health data as CSV tables so that you can create custom analyses and visualization. If something goes wrong, or if you simply want regular updates on your drive's condition, we can send you an email. You can customize which emails you'd like to receive. Drives that are already experiencing problems can be identified using our faulty drive detector. You can locate individual drives using their model and serial number. The third way to access DA Drive Analyzer is by using DA Desktop Suite. DA Desktop Suite is a Windows application that lets you monitor several devices quickly for multiple users, which can be especially helpful for IT managers. Each user's drive health is summarized by a single box. So there you have it. Whether you're a technical wizard or just someone who wants to protect against data loss, DA Drive Analyzer has a solution for you. DA Drive Analyzer. Predict drive failures and prevent data loss.